Did you know that 1 in 3 Americans is at risk for kidney disease? Maintaining healthy kidneys is crucial as they play a vital role in regulating blood pressure, producing red blood cells, and supporting overall well-being. The normal range for creatinine levels, a marker of kidney function, is zero point 0.6 to 1.2 milligrams per deciliter for men and zero point 0.5 to 1.1 milligrams per deciliter for women. In today's fast-paced world, our bodies are constantly exposed to toxins from various sources, including the food we eat, the air we breathe, and the stress we endure. This constant bombardment can take a toll on our kidneys, making it essential to prioritize detoxification and cleansing. In this video, we'll explore the best top 7 drinks to detox and cleanse your kidneys fast. So whether you're looking to prevent kidney-related issues or simply want to maintain optimal kidney function, this video is for you. Get ready to discover simple yet effective ways to nourish and cleanse your kidneys, one sip at a time. Number 1. Water. When it comes to detox and kidney cleanse, nothing beats the simplicity and effectiveness of water. This essential liquid is the backbone of any drinks to detox kidney fast regimen, as it plays a crucial role in flushing out toxins and waste products from your kidneys. Your kidneys are responsible for filtering waste, excess water, and impurities from your bloodstream. By staying hydrated and consuming an adequate amount of water, you can support your kidneys' ability to perform this vital function efficiently. Water helps dilute your urine, making it easier for your kidneys to eliminate toxins and waste products from your body. To support optimal kidney function and promote a cleanse kidney fast process, it's recommended to drink at least 8 glasses, 64 ounces of water per day. However, depending on your activity level, climate, and overall health, your individual water needs may vary. Aim to drink enough water to maintain a light yellow or almost clear urine color, which is an indicator of proper hydration. Enjoying water in your daily routine is one of the easiest and most effective ways to support your kidneys' detoxification process. Not only does it aid in flushing out toxins, but it also helps prevent the formation of kidney stones and supports overall kidney health. So if you're looking to detox or simply maintain optimal kidney function, make water your go-to kidney cleanse drink and sip your way to better kidney health. Number 2, black coffee. Among the various coffee options, black coffee stands out as a particularly beneficial choice when it comes to supporting kidney health and promoting detoxification. This pure and unadulterated form of coffee offers a concentrated dose of natural compounds that can aid in removing toxins and optimizing kidney function. Research has shown that black coffee is rich in antioxidants such as chlorogenic acid and caffeic acid, which possess potent protective properties for the kidneys. These compounds help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, shielding these vital organs from potential damage caused by toxins and inflammation. Black coffee has been found to have a mild diuretic effect, which can contribute to the cleanse kidney fast process. By increasing urine output, black coffee facilitates the removal of waste products, toxins, and excess fluids from the body, promoting efficient kidney filtration and detoxification. Based on a research study, consuming no more than 3 to 4 cups, 24-32 ounces, per day is good for kidney health. This moderate amount is believed to offer potential benefits without overwhelming the kidneys with excessive caffeine or other compounds. It's important to note that individual responses to coffee can vary, and those with pre-existing kidney conditions or sensitivities may need to adjust their intake accordingly. Additionally, it's advisable to choose high-quality, organic black coffee to maximize the potential benefits and minimize exposure to any harmful additives or contaminants. Number 3, green tea. Green tea is loaded with potent antioxidants called catechins, particularly epigallocatechin galote, EGCG. These antioxidants possess remarkable abilities to neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, which can damage kidney cells and impair their function. By consuming green tea, you provide your kidneys with a natural defense against these harmful compounds, promoting optimal detoxification and overall kidney health. Research suggests that consuming 2 to 3 cups, 16 to 24 ounces, of green tea per day can offer significant benefits for kidney health and support the body's natural detoxification processes. However, it's essential to pay attention to your individual tolerance and adjust the intake accordingly. To maximize the benefits of green tea for your kidney cleanse routine, it's important to prepare and consume it correctly. Here are some tips. 1. Use high-quality, loose-leaf green tea or green tea bags for optimal freshness and potency. 2. Brew the tea with water that has been heated to around 175 to 185 Fahrenheit or 80 to 85 Celsius. Boiling water can cause the delicate catechins to break down, reducing their effectiveness. 3. Steep the tea for 2 to 3 minutes, as oversteeping can lead to bitterness and astringency. 4. Consider adding a squeeze of fresh lemon or a slice of ginger for added flavor and potential health benefits. 5. Drink green tea throughout the day, spacing out your consumption for maximum absorption and hydration. Daily habit drinking of green tea can harness the power of its antioxidants and support your body's natural detoxification processes, especially when it comes to drinks to detox kidney and promoting a cleanse kidney fast regimen. Number 4. Cranberry juice. Cranberries are rich in unique plant compounds called proanthocyanidins, which have been shown to possess remarkable anti-adhesive properties. These compounds can help prevent harmful bacteria, such as E. coli, from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract, thus reducing the risk of UTIs. As UTIs can potentially lead to kidney infections if left untreated, incorporating cranberry juice into your diet can be a proactive measure to support kidney health. Cranberry juice contains various antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that may help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and potential damage caused by toxins and free radicals. By promoting a healthy urinary tract and reducing inflammation, cranberry juice can contribute to overall kidney function and detoxification. While cranberry juice offers numerous benefits, it's important to consume it in moderation due to its relatively high sugar content. The recommended daily intake for adults is around 8 to 16 ounces or 240 to 480 milliliters of pure, unsweetened cranberry juice. Excessive consumption can lead to an overconsumption of sugar, which may counteract the potential benefits and potentially strain the kidneys. To maximize the benefits of cranberry juice for your kidney cleanse routine, consider diluting it with water or mixing it with other low-sugar beverages like herbal teas or infused waters. Additionally, look for unsweetened varieties or those sweetened with natural alternatives like stevia or monk fruit to minimize added sugars. Including cranberry juice into your daily routine, you can harness its unique properties and contribute to a comprehensive drinks-to-detox kidney regimen while also supporting overall urinary tract and kidney health. Number 5. Ginger tea. When it comes to supporting kidney health and promoting a cleanse kidney fast regimen, ginger tea is a powerhouse beverage that deserves a spot in your drinks-to-detox kidney lineup. This ancient remedy harnesses the potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of ginger, making it a valuable ally for kidney detoxification and overall well-being. Ginger is rich in bioactive compounds, such as gingerol and chagol, which possess remarkable anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can contribute to the development of various kidney disorders, so incorporating ginger into your diet can help reduce inflammation and promote a healthier renal environment. Preparing fresh ginger tea is a simple and invigorating process. Here's a quick recipe. Ingredients: 2 to 3 inches of fresh ginger root, peeled and thinly sliced or grated, 2 cups of water, lemon, honey, optional for added flavor. Instructions: 1. Boil water in a small saucepan. 2. Add the sliced or grated ginger and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the ginger's potent compounds to infuse into the water. 3. Remove from heat, strain the tea into a cup or teapot, and discard the ginger pieces. 4. If desired, add a touch of honey or a squeeze of fresh lemon for added flavor and potential health benefits. For optimal results, it's recommended to consume 1 to 2 cups of fresh ginger tea per day, spacing out your intake throughout the day. This consistent consumption can help support your body's natural detoxification processes and contribute to a comprehensive kidney cleanse regimen. Number 6. Lemon water. When it comes to drinks to detox kidney and promoting a cleanse kidney fast regimen, lemon water is a refreshing and highly effective choice. This simple yet powerful beverage harnesses the detoxifying properties of lemon, making it an excellent addition to your kidney health routine. Lemons are a rich source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that can help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce oxidative stress within the body. This, in turn, can help protect the kidneys from potential damage caused by toxins and support their overall function. Additionally, lemons contain citric acid, which can help break down and flush out harmful compounds, further aiding in the detoxification process. To reap the maximum benefits of lemon water for your kidney cleanse routine, experts recommend consuming 2 to 3 glasses, 16 to 24 ounces, per day. This amount can provide a sufficient dose of vitamin C and citric acid to support kidney health and detoxification. Preparing lemon water is incredibly simple. Simply squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of lukewarm or room temperature water. You can also add a few slices of fresh lemon for an extra burst of flavor and aroma. Avoid using boiling water, as it can diminish the beneficial properties of the lemon. For optimal results, it's recommended to consume lemon water first thing in the morning, as this can help kickstart your body's natural detoxification processes. Additionally, sipping on lemon water throughout the day can help keep you hydrated and support continuous flushing of toxins from your system. Number 7. Cucumber water. This simple yet powerful beverage harnesses the hydrating and diuretic properties of cucumber, making it an excellent choice for kidney detoxification. Cucumbers are naturally high in water content, which makes them an excellent hydrating agent. Proper hydration is crucial for kidney health, as it helps flush out toxins and waste products through increased urine output. Additionally, cucumbers contain compounds called cucurbitacins, which act as natural diuretics, promoting increased urination and aiding in the removal of excess fluids and toxins from the body. To prepare this drinks to detox kidney powerhouse, simply slice a few cucumbers and add them to a pitcher of fresh cold water. Let the mixture infuse for at least an hour, allowing the cucumber's refreshing flavor and beneficial compounds to infuse into the water. You can also add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for an extra burst of flavor and a touch of vitamin C. Sipping on cucumber water throughout the day can be an excellent way to support your kidney cleanse regimen. Aim to drink at least 8 ounces every few hours to keep your body well hydrated and promote consistent flushing of toxins and waste products through increased urination. This refreshing and low-calorie beverage is not only beneficial for kidney health, but also promotes overall hydration, which is essential for many bodily functions. Throughout this video, we've explored the best top 7 drinks to detox and cleanse your kidneys fast, highlighting the incredible power of natural beverages like water, black coffee, green tea, cranberry juice, ginger tea, lemon water, and cucumber water. Each of these drinks offers unique benefits, from flushing out toxins and reducing inflammation to supporting overall kidney function and promoting a healthy urinary tract. However, it's crucial to remember that while these drinks can be incredibly beneficial, they should be part of a comprehensive approach to kidney health. It's always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have pre-existing kidney conditions or concerns, to ensure that these drinks are appropriate for your individual needs and to receive personalized guidance. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to share and subscribe for more healthy tips.